In Ventana, admin users can invite, manage, and assign roles to team members, ensuring secure access and control. To add a new user, go to Settings, click Add User, and enter their email, username, and role. Once you send the invitation, the user will receive an email to register. Invitations expire in 5 days, but you can resend them anytime under Pending Users. Ventana offers different user roles to maintain security and limit data access. Admins have full control over all settings and users. Editors can manage devices and users within their assigned groups, configure group settings, and view reports from other groups. Viewer/history users can see their group reports and translation history, while viewer/log users can only view group reports without translation history access. To change a user's role, go to Settings, select the user, and update their role. To deactivate a user, navigate to the Total Users list, select the user, and choose Deactivate this user. Managing user access ensures smooth and secure operations across your organization.